what if we have parallel lines like this intersecting? This will create or make 8 angles. These angles here, it's just 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8. Now these angles will share just 2 values. For example, in the exam they ask you to find the values, and they sometimes ask you to find the reason why. So we'll do both. Now let's assume this is 130. We will use common sense here. Since they share just 2 values, can 2 be 130? It can't, because it's very small. 3 looks like this because they are vertical angles. We just learned that. So 3 will be equal to 130. Now, if we look at 4, 4 is very small. 6 and 8 are very small. With common sense, 5 and 7 looks like these two, so they are also 130. Now, if we look at the straight line, the angle in a straight line is 180. So we can find 2 by doing 180 minus 130, and we can find 4 because it's equal to 2. They are vertical angles. So 180 minus 130 is 50, and 4 is also going to equal to 50, and then these are also going to equal to 50. So all 8 angles, they share just 2 values. It's either 130 or 50. Common sense will help you a lot in this. Sometimes the students see a very small angle like this and they say it's 130. This is obviously incorrect. Now, we know how to find the values. Now let's know the reasons. They tell you to find this, for example, and then they ask you, why is it 130? In the exam, you can't say common sense. You need to give a reason, right? So let's know the names. Now, these angles are called corresponding angles. They do have a line between them, and they look, some teachers, they tell you to look at the Z shape and all that. But let's just look at it like this. There is a line between them, and they look in this shape. So these are called vertical. Also, the 50 and 50 are, it's called corresponding angles. Also the 50 and 50. This 50 and 50 are also corresponding. This 130 and 130 are corresponding angles. Now, if we look at the corresponding angles are always equal. If you look at these two angles, they add up to 180. These are called co-interior angles, and these are also adding to 180. They are called co-interior angles because they are both inside. That's why they are co-interior angles. Now let's look at this. This is a nice example. It's yours. Please try it and tell me your answers in the comment. Use your common sense. It will help you a lot here.